Shilpa back with another video, and today I am planning to do a makeup tutorial with you. I don't know why am I even doing a makeup tutorial video considering I have no clue how to do makeup. Usually I do a very bad job with makeup in terms of if I have to create something really pretty and stuff, but I have like a certain thing figured out for my makeup routine, and it's pretty simple. It's a no makeup look, sort of a makeup look. Yeah, I'm in my outfit. I'm going to shoot a lookbook for myself and I'm going to do my makeup right now, so hope this video helps people who want to have like a no makeup look, sort of a look. I'm really confusing myself right now. Let's do this. Everything is in my bag right now. I literally unload everything every time I do makeup. And also, if you hear disturbance in the background, please bear with it. It's very hot. I have to do my makeup. I can't do makeup without the fan. Okay, so let's start with the makeup tutorial video. So yeah, first I'm gonna do concealer. That's the only base in terms of foundation or concealer. This is the Fit Me. Kar lo focus, yaar, kar lo focus. I think I'm so bad at makeup tutorials that I need to see a tutorial to how to do a makeup tutorial. I'm just going to take my foundation brush and zhuzh it up. Okay, concealer done. Now I'm just going to put the compact. That is the Fit Me 330 Toffee powder. So I'm just going to take a little bit of compact and zhuzh it up. Beauty gurus are going to kill me because literally there's no foundation. But we roll with what we like. So now, since all my features of the face which were visible are now gone because of the base makeup, so I'm just gonna take the Lakme Insta liner, and it is cheap as fuck, but that's how I like it. Now, since I am doing it for a lookbook and a shoot, I'm going to make it a little thick. Otherwise, I would always keep it very thin. How do people do this? And I'm slightly like, I have power, so I can't even see. Perfect. I'm just going to take, oh, by the way, I use the colossal Maybelline mascara क्योंकि सस्ता best अच्छा, and I have to remove this thing that has happened with my hair.
Now, Sasta Jugaad with Shilpa Das.
I'm just going to now the sasta trick for my eyebrow making. Just take color, use it with your light hand, like be very light. And I'm just gonna take the mascara brush. You can use an old mascara brush, or you can just take it from the makeup kit brushes wala jo kit aata hai. All the shine of my face is gone, or it's gonna come out after I sweat like 100 times. A highlighter. This is the Wow, the print is also gone. This is the Swiss Beauty highlighter. I got it off Nykaa. Sasta or tikau, and good shades for my tone. So I'm gonna shoot this lookbook. I'm gonna link the video link here so you can check it out and watch my lookbook, guys. उसी में इतना makeup हुआ है मेरा. I think we're good. I'm just gonna apply a little bit of lip color, and since it's a very thick lip color, it's the Maybelline New York. I don't want to spill it. Maybelline New York Seeker lip color. It's like lasts really long. It's called the Super Stay Matte Ink. It really stays. Like super stay. I'm just gonna 1, 2, 3. That's it. Well, that's it. सुंदरता देखो सुंदरता मेरी. Okay, so if you like this video, make sure you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends if they believe that I could be of any help, which is a huge deal altogether, and subscribe to my channel. Until the next video, bye.